We are here in Cleveland for the MLB All-Star Game to do some walk-up song for the fans.
You ready? Ooh, girl, what you from the Sahara? Makeup on point, lipstick and mascara. Nails all done and matched with apparel. Dope new kicks, go on and take the stairs up. Make them all stare, go on, girl, I dare ya. You looking so fly in your fresh new era. Homeboy, homegrown in Cleveland. Downtown here for All-Star Weekend. What he doesn't know, it may not believe in that new era cap, it's your season. He's on the field, you hear the fans screaming. You smell the grass, you can't believe it. Yo, in that new era cap, it's your season, so you best believe it. Everybody thinks he's an average guy in an average pair of shorts, but the hat he's wearing says something else. It says he's real into sports, successful and handsome.